Hwaiini ni wa tariki 28 mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa 2024 iria ciagitinda tuno-ini twa andu aingi ni ati mbitĩka cia safari rale ni gikorirwo ikihorwo cabi ni mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto kuria nyumba-ini ya mathia kana nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC ngonyitio ganina ngugeithie gukwari kwa Muthingi TV iria kwa Getika Wambui wa Njau mbere ndaya twambe twamũkĩre matema mamo. Na mamwe wa maria tukuhaririirie ni ati mbitĩka cia safari rari kuhurwo cabi ni President William Ruto mwena wa Nairobi. Minister wa gitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki kwiranira ati ni makuhithukia mahio makiria ma 5,000 gukwa kiuria tongoria kuma mwena wa Turkana na kurorana uhoro ucio.
I feel very sad for the people of Embakasi East because they have a governor who prioritizes sherehe instead of doing the work.
Governor wa county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kugathikwa faini ya shiringi 500,000 ni undu wa kwaga gwekinyia mbere ya kamiti ya Senate iguru rigie mututhuko wa ngasi ro wahanikire mwena wa Embakasi. Na nitukumenyithia ciĩgie mathina matunganaga na arimi a mira. Na gĩtĩo kĩnene tĩkĩra ũkorwo kĩgucia njung'wa yaku ngoro gĩkũmenyithia maũna mangĩ maingĩ na mũtamburuko ũyũ witũ no ũkorwo ũkĩwamũkĩra kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook harĩ o Muthingi TV naguo mwena wa YouTube harĩ o Muthingi TV na tũkĩrika kĩondo-inĩ gitũ twambie na ici ciĩgie mbĩtĩka cia safari rally kũrĩa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ President William Ruto manyitanĩire na Minister wa mathako hamwe na anyiti itemi angĩ kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kũrĩa nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC nĩ akorirwo akĩhũra cabi mbĩtĩka cia safari rale gukorwo gitwara kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru mwena wa Naivasha kuri kuhanika kuma muthenya wa ũmũthĩ nginyagia muthenya wa kiumia na aria mbĩtĩka ici ni cionete athaki ngũrani kuma mabũrũri ngũrani gukorwo magĩũka kũmũka na gukorwo magikinya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kũnyita itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici ndĩratinda kũu mwena wa KCC neno nĩ riboti ĩgiĩ mbĩtĩka icio. Mbĩtĩka cia safari rale ikoretwo arĩ mbĩtĩka cigucagĩrĩria andũ aingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na kũrĩa mwaka ũyũ ndũtigĩtwo na thutha. Mwena wa nyũmba ya mĩcemanio ya KICC gũkũ kaunti ya Nairobi nĩkuo athaki matwarire ngari ciao nĩguo mbĩtĩka ici ikorwo ikĩrongorerio mwena wa Kasarani nĩguo irorio mwena wa Naivasha gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Kambuni nyingĩ ciumĩrĩtie kũhũra mbĩtĩka ici njeki na amwe ao nĩ ta bengi ya KCB na kũrĩa mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa bengi ĩno augĩte marĩ cemba na nĩ magũthiĩ na mbere na kũrũgamĩrĩra mbĩtĩka ici.
This is a very important sport. We know what it means even to our young people. As KCB, we have a program within which we are trying to promote our young people so that they can have ways in which they can be able to meet their own needs and in a more productive manner. I will not say that much because I have been told time is not on our side, but I want to assure you, sir, that for those who are participating, please know this is an important event.
Minister wa mathako Ababu na Mwamba nĩ akumetie mũikarĩre wa mathako gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ akiuga ũrĩ handũ hega kĩ mathako.
To lead the nation in welcoming the world to magical Kenya. Kenya, the land of Hakuna Matata. And we tell the world, karibuni Kenya, twende Vasha, Eastern Arandi. Your Excellency, we are delighted to have and to continue the partnership we have with the FIA and the WRC. We are absolutely happy, glad to have Kenya as one of only 13 rounds of the World Rally Championship Series, and indeed the only one on the African continent.
President William Ruto no rego kinyetia andũ-inĩ hake naugĩte atĩ mĩthako nĩ rehete ũrũmwe na nĩgũthiĩ na mbere kũmũnyitĩrĩra gũkũ akĩũria athaki a safari rally kuongererwo thikũ makĩria ma kuma thikũ 3 nginya thikũ 5 na rĩtana rĩu rĩakorwo rĩgĩikio kũrĩ Minister wa mathako Ababu na Mwamba.
That opportunity and I am looking forward to a wonderful Easter beginning tomorrow. And as we flag up these men and women, they told me, the Safari Rally drivers told me, they want this rally to return to the 5 days that was before. Now we are doing 3 days, they wanted 5 days. Ababu na Mwamba and your team, FIA and WRC, I think it is time you consider the request of our rally drivers.
Miaka alimirongo mugwanja umwe kumarira batasha safari rally shakorigo ikiambia goko furorine shosha mwaka wa 2024 imesha ikorwo igithakirwo mambraine madokosha isa kuresha ikoro cha urosha pim akuma goko county-ine ya Nairobi kinyagia county-ine ya Nakuru akurigo tafanerio mwena wa Naivasha na kuria madereva kuma mabũrũri-inĩ ngũrani na ũkorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere gũthima na hinya no ũkorwo akihotana mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici. Ribotera Muthingi TV ndĩgũkũ nyũmba ya mĩcemanio ya KCC njĩtĩkaga Wafũi Wanjaũ. Haya, tugitigana na icio tugithie na mbere turi mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici cia Safari Rally. Thirikari nĩ gathĩkĩte mĩtaratara ngũrani ĩrĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ũgitĩri korwo kiruma kuria county-inĩ ya Nakuru na kuria commissioner wa Rift Valley mundu gwetwo Abdi Hassan augĩte atĩ gũtigakorwo na wendia barabara-inĩ gũtirĩ mundu ũgĩatĩkĩrĩ gũkorwo kĩenderia njohi oningĩ nĩ augĩte nĩ agũtigĩrĩra atĩ barabara ndĩnakorwo kana ndĩnakorwo na ngari nyingĩ kana jamu barabara-inĩ kuona atĩ mĩaka mĩhĩtũku ũcio nĩguo ũndũ ũkoretwo ũkĩhanĩka kuria county-inĩ ya Nakuru.
Kwanza kabisa tunataka kutoa wito kwa Wakenya haswa wale ambao watatumia barabara wafuate maagizo ambayo serikali imetoa kupitia Kenha na idara ya polisi. Wafuate maagizo wale ambao wanataka kusafiri kutoka Nairobi kuelekea magharibi mwa Kenya. Wale ambao wanatoka Nairobi kuna barabara 4. Ya kwanza ni Nairobi Rironi flyover. Inaitwa Maguma, Jambini, Olkalau, Oljororok na kuelekea Lanet alafu ingie Nakuru. Ya pili ni Nairobi Rironi, Naivasha, Engineer, Olkalau, Oljororok alafu Lanet. Ya tatu Nairobi Thika, Magumu, Olkalau, Oljororok, Lanet. Na ya nne ni Nairobi Ngong, Ngong Town, Kibiko, Suswa, Bomet. Na vile vile kurudi namna hiyo kuanzia Ijumaa. Kuanzia Ijumaa mpaka Jumatatu waendelee kutumia barabara ambazo tumesema. Highway yetu barabara kuu kutoka Nairobi kwenda mpaka Nakuru, hatutaruhusu watu kuegeza magari. There will be no parking on the roadside. There will be no parking, no overlapping, na tutahakikisha ya kwamba wale askari ambao wamewekwa pale watazingatia, na gari yoyote ambayo itapatikana pale itavutwa kwa cost ya mwenye gari na atashtakiwa. Tutaondoa. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba watu kutoka sehemu hiyo yote ambao wanataka kuja Naivasha, kama ni kuja Naivasha wafanye mambo yao kuzingatia sheria za trafiki na maagizo ambayo serikali imetoa. Hakutakuwa na mambo ya pombe. Pombe, hakuna mambo ya kutengeneza magari ati inauza pombe sehemu fulani fulani katika Naivasha kwa jumla. Hakuna.
Na tugitigana na icio nake minister wa gitiri wa thĩinĩ Professor Kuhura Caabi anayekorirwo gĩcera kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana nĩgetha gũthiĩ kũrora ũrĩa aikari a kaunti ya Turkana magĩthiĩ na mbere gũkorwo makĩrorwo nĩ maabitha a borithi. Harĩa gwakorwo mũingĩ wa bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ wakorwo ũkĩgitirwo ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire na kũrĩa ereire aikari a kaunti ya Turkana makorwo makĩamũkĩra makĩria maabitha 400 arĩa magũtigĩrĩra atĩ ũgitĩri nĩ wagĩthiĩ na mbere kũrũma kaunti-inĩ ĩno.
Mĩhang'o-inĩ ya mũthenya Minister wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Professor Kuhura Caabi nĩ acerete kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana hĩndĩ ya birigiceni ya gũthũrima ũgitĩri wa mũingĩ mwena ũyũ kũrũmĩrĩra ciĩko cia ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri kaunti-inĩ ĩno.
We have been here to review the situation, the security situation here. As you are aware, there is an ongoing operation to deal with the security challenges, especially banditry and livestock rustling in northern Rift Valley, including Turkana County.
Akiaria na andĩki a mohoro arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana, Kindiki nĩ augĩte atĩ thirikari nene manyitanĩre na ministry ya ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ nĩ megũtigĩrĩra ũgitĩri ndũnahotoma, kuona nĩ megũkorwo makinyagia maabitha mbirarũ 468 mwena ũyũ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri wa mũingĩ.
Last year we did give money to train, equip and deploy additional NPRs for Turkana. But having assessed the situation, we are of the view that we need to increase the number of NPRs for Turkana County by 468, which will be spread across the areas where we still have problems.
Aikari a Turkana makoretwo makĩithũkĩrwo nĩ itoi mahinda kwa mahinda, makĩria arĩa marĩ mũhaka-inĩ wa Turkana na Pokot ya ithũĩro na mũhaka-inĩ wa bũrũri wa Kenya na Uganda, oro hamwe na bũrũri wa Sudan ya Kĩanda.
We still have problems in Turkana East, parts of Turkana North, Loima, and also in our border with South Sudan, the Nadapa area, and also in the north. We still have issues, a little different in Kibish area and Todonyang.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo, Kindiki nĩ akũmithĩtie itoi ici cia mahiũ kuona gũkinyĩria rĩu nĩ marekete kũhithũkia makĩria ma mahiũ 5,600 na kũria maabitha ũgitĩri gũkorwo maigĩrĩrĩkĩire wĩra-inĩ wao nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra aikari mwena ũyũ nĩ mamũkĩra ũgitĩri na njĩra nene.
The last 6 months, 6,800 livestock has been stolen from Turkana County by criminals who are suspected to be coming from neighboring county. Out of the 6,800, we have recovered 5,600. 1,200 livestock, heads of cattle and camels are outstanding. I have directed the county security and intelligence team to look for the remainder of the livestock, recover it and hand it over to their owners.
Ngĩribotera Mũthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Maina.
Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nake Minista Nyabara Musalia Mudavadi anetetetie andĩki anene thirikari-inĩ kũringana na mĩario ĩrĩa ayaririo gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa mbere kĩa NDCI kũrĩa kĩrĩa kĩahanĩkire mweri wa gatatũ mwaka mũhĩtũku. Mudavadi augĩte atĩ gũtirĩ wĩra ona ũmwe arĩa arona ũkoretwo ũkĩrutwo ministry-inĩ.
Akiaria rĩrĩa agwĩkinyĩtie gĩikaro na kamĩtĩ ya ũthii wa na mbere kaunti ya Nairobi, Mudavadi nĩ atetetie andĩki anene thirikari-inĩ kũringana na mĩario ĩrĩa yaririo gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa mbere kĩa NDCI kĩrĩa kĩahanĩkire mweri wa gatatũ mwaka mũhĩtũku.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency President Ruto has severally reminded us to protect public resources with zeal to be able to actualize the bottom-up economic transformation agenda better again. The President raised the issue during the last cabinet retreat in Naivasha, where we were all in attendance. Ladies and gentlemen, we have not been overzealous in protection of public resources.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo, Mudavadi nĩ onanĩtie ũrĩa mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto erutanĩirie nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra indo cia mũingĩ hamwe na gũtwarithia na mbere ũkũria wa bũrũri. Mudavadi nĩ amorĩtie mongererekio wĩra-inĩ wao makĩria harĩ kũgitĩra indo cia mũingĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa amerĩte manyitanĩre hamwe nĩguo gũkinyanĩria mũbango ũcio.
His Excellency President William Ruto pronounced himself on 1st November 2023 on the importance of the whole of government approach through the Executive Order Number 2 by establishing 5 coordination organs to enhance coordination for service delivery to the people of Kenya. The order clearly spelled out the role of the Office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary as a focal point for coordination of national government operations.
Handũ-inĩ o hau, Mudavadi nĩ augĩte atĩ thirikari ĩrĩ na mũbango wa gũtigĩrĩra wĩra nĩ warutwo kwa ihinda rĩrĩa rĩrabatarania, na kũrĩa augĩte wabici ya minista mũkaru ĩgũthiĩ na mbere gũkorwo ĩrĩ kĩhumo kĩa mũbango wa thirikari.
Coordination Secretariat having the working mandate of coordination and oversight.
Hamwe na uguo NGCS ruguru wa wabici ya minister mukaru nioete itua ria gutigirira ni matwarithia na mbere micemanio ya unyitaniri na ministry icio ingi. Mudavadi niaugite ati riboti ni kurekererio wiki nini njuku riria magakorwo na miario ingi ota iyo.
In fulfillment of this mandate, the National Government Coordination Secretariat has undertaken a range of initiatives to spearhead this mandate. These include holding several collaboration meetings with the National Government Administration Organization through the Ministry of Interior and Administration of Government, developing a draft coordination oversight, supervision and management framework, and developing an outline of a list of priority projects, programs and policies for coordination and oversighting.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatudu.
Haya, na riboti yo ni uraikoro igituhe kanya kage kana kanya gaito ka mbere auko tugikiria andu akoro githikora kuona ati ni ndinacokereria na mage maige gukori kwa Muthingi TV.
Riria turatura muturire-ini uyu ni tucemanagia na maundu matiganite, mamwe magatiga ironda nene ngoro-ini citu na mamwe magatuika rugano rwa gutura ruheanagwo.
Ndirianengeria mwana wakwa iria, mwana ndari na outlet, ndayambirie kuiba, mwana kiambia kurutira kioro kanua na maniuro.
Wathikira buri no nginya urika uria andu akirabu meka no wikore magero-ini haraka muno.
Konge ni arata matwikirie, konge ni endo aitu, amwe makimenyaga aria angi matekumenya.
Kirinde magucagia bangi magoka makanjoherera muthi-ini makaura ngudi ta bag kama bag ya boxing.
Weka atia
sasa sijui nie ndio ndoka tunoherero hari na muthi hau, lakini sasa the end of the day nduri na handu ha kurira.
Na nikio nie teri wa Mwangi njinyitetie muthiori gwethana na andu mena rugano rwa mwanya, tugakorwo tugikara thi nao magakorwo magituhe maria manatungana namo. Ni o muthenya wa Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini thiini wa tabarira ya rugano rwakwa guku kwa Muthingi TV.
Karibuni na mwikare thi munjire niki kiaria kingi.
Pastor, mundu toyo okago tukufio na ndari uguo tene. Thiku ici ona thimu yake ndigikwira ndamehutirie ri. Ni password yekiraga.
Maundu tamaya nimo mahagurite ihiko nyingi. Na ithuĩ Muthingi TV tugakurehera tabarĩra ya mwanya itagwo kwiregeria.
Ungikona mundu ciana cia nyarara muthu umenye mutumia ucio no monete
no nginya wambe wamukire mundu hietha thamake
o muthenya wa kiumia kuma thaa 4 cia utuku nginya thaa 5 na niĩ Njuguna wa Ngugi.
Kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia.
Watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe.
Na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay.
Ndwagĩrĩirwo gũtwarwo police station kana gũtwarwo criminal court ni ũndũ wa defamation.
Na nikio ni nawe tufatie kumenya uria mundu agietha kihoto giake.
Mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent.
Kihoto iriko na muthuri na mutumia ai tokogana na indo ikwari.
Watho ni witikiritie ciana icio utigirwo.
Nyitana nanie Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaa 2 cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie ciegi watho amu guku nikuo kihumo kia gutherema.
twacokereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na guikarania na ithwe gukwari kwa Muthingi TV mali Mohoro Hwaiini na tugicoka kiondo-ini gitu ni tuingire ginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria arimi kahua kuma kaunti-ini no ya Kiambu ni maroria thirikari ikorwo na gikaro kimwe niguo gukorwo magimateithiriria gukorwo makirora thuguri na niki kirathi na mbere gwikana niki agitumite kahua gathie na mbere gwikururia riria gakorwo agitua ni gutwarwo thoko maikitie ritana riri kumana na muikariri giti wa kiama giki mundu wetwo Frederick Kinyanjui kuria augite ati arimi kuma kaunti ino ni maragithie na mbere na guthenikana kuria aikitie ritana kuria thirikari ikorwo kimateithiriria getha murimi wa kaunti ya Kiambu ateithike.
Arimi a kahua kuma kaunti ya Kiambu ni maretana kuri thirikari makorwo na giikaro kimwe niguo methe kihonia hari uthondekia wa wendia wa kahora wa kahua iria icungireire macokia mathi.
Thirikari ingihota inyitanire na stakeholders tugenda micemanio nao tuikare thi he mathina maria murimi ageragira.
Muikariri giti wa arimi a kahua Duberi Frederick Kinyanjui ni ugite arimi ni marathinika ni undu metereire mbeca imateithie ni undu wendia na uthondeki wa kahua ni uroya kahinda kanene.
Turie thirikari korwo mahota nigetha ona uhoro wa kahua wabatire manyitanire na stakeholders tondu kuringana na bataraitha iria heanagwo ndiheagwo arimi iria yanoka ya kuheanwo ndiheagwo arimi iheagwo andu matari arimi a kahua na tugakiona murimi no arathi na mbere na kuhinyiririka.
Mwandiki mukaru George Konya ni ugite garama ya ukuria wa kahua wi iguru ukiringithanio na mbeca iria maragia kumana na macokia mao. Goko akiuga thirikari ni yagiriire kuingirira matigirire arimi ni mage indo cia mugunda na bei ya thi. Ni aroria thirikari yongerere athondeki a kahua kana ihe thirikari cia kaunti mbeca niguo mambiririe iganda iria iguteithia arimi.
Wa ni turarogotire kindu 150 na mbere o turakoragwo tugithie 500 600 ni undu wa challenges ciganona ta weather arafu gukorwo farm inputs ni ciambatirite cina goro bataraitha uria turaguraga riu maita matatu na gukorwo ati ndironeka still.
Ni ugite kiama kiu ni kiamukirite makiria ma milioni 10 kuma kuri NARIJ kugerera thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu iria iteithiriirie kugura mashini njeru cia iganda.
Hena through the government hena project 2 iria irahotire guteithia wa farmers na turahope riu mwaka uyu tuguka kimera giki turorete ni turahotire guteithia farmers na thumu through the NARIJ project. Hena dawa cia kuhura, hena foria feeds, foria fertilizers na hena pump, motorized pumps iria ikuhota guteithiriria grupu twina grupu around 31 iria ina andu 35 farmers. Tutinahota gukava all the farmers no turahope that sampled groups ni kuhota gukiria urimi.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV Geto wa Gishi wa Wachira.
Tugitigana na icio nake gavana wa kaunti ya Githii Simba Arati nikietiritana kuri atongoria mwena uyu matige gwikia miario ingicungirira ngwe kuri muingi kuria Arati augite ati muturire wa Kenya kwa ihinda riri ukomeire moko mwa arutwo kana atongoria aria makorirwo magithurwo kaunti-ini ino ona hamwe na bururi-ini.
The Minister for Interior was here. He can go ahead, make sure all the criminal gangs, they are dealt with firmly. Because if we law, those teams, they are specific, they are known, they are behind a certain individuals. They are only using the label, you know we are in the government. Who is not the government? I'm running my government. You are not going to distract me from the cause. Ukipanga vita, mimi naendelea kupanga maendeleo. But for those ones who are associated with politicians who take them home, najua sisi ndio serikali. Oh, you can kill, you can do everything. Hapana. We want to make sure every case there is peace. People can go to business as usual. Therefore, I want to urge leaders. Our division has costed us so much. Mpaka viongozi wakuu kule juu wanasema kwamba they cannot come to Kisii simply because kuna watu wanapigana kwa matanga. Basa ni watu wanapigana, ni matusi. We can't move. Mto uwanja na toka in that route. I want to plead with my leaders. All leaders, please, bury your hatches. Let us make sure our count goes forward.
Haya, tukire na ripoti haya Muini ogwetwa mundu ogwetwa Duncan Okwam uria ni muini kuma kaunti-ini ya Turkana akoretwo gitanda-ini koguma mwaka-ini wa 2015 mukuria mwena wa Eldoret o ni thutha wake kuguthwo ni ngari ya thirikari barabara-ini ya kuma Kakuma guthie Gichogio kuria agire nguraro ya munyiginyigi undu uria utumite aikare gitanda-ini handu-ini ha miaka 10. Duncan ikitiritana kuri thirikari na andu a wendi mwega kumuteithiriria nate ni akoretwo na kinyariririko kuona ati nginya dawa darahota gukorwo akigurira.
In a year 2015 February date 14, mimi nilipata ajali, niligongwa na gari ya serikali when I was on my way to where I was going to perform. Niliumia mara mbili, ambao moja ilikuwa visible iko inaonekana wakati sahihi. Niliumia spinal cord. Niliumia spinal cord, I think nazoonyesha vile mgongo nimewekewa chuma hivi as I speak. Niko na chuma kwa mgongo. So niliumia spinal cord. So after kuumia spinal cord nikarudi nyumbani nikaendelea na nilea maisha kama kawaida. In 2019 nikalemewa na hip. Ya mali sasa ilikuwa nimeumia, lakini sasa ilikuwa kati ilikuwa visible iko inaonekana. Ikawa sasa imesidi hiyo time nikalemewa na hip, ikawa mguu haimove hapo kwa joint ya mguu ya right ikawa haimove. So wakati ilikuwa inaonekana haimove ikasemekana nifanywe hip replacement. Kwamba nafaa nipewe something like 8.7 million. Hospitali imenitibu, ikafika mahali imetibu, wakasema wao mahali imefika hapo kanisukuma hospitali zingine. Ndio hospitali nyingine wamenisukuma wanaigiza 2 million not 1.8. Ya waniambia 2 million ndio tuweze kufanya tukufanye fracture hiyo kurudisha normal vizuri. Alafu na hiyo mguu iweze kujikunja. Niweze kujikunja nikae vizuri kwa mguu, kwa wheelchair. Ya na kurudisha iko colostone. Naomba kama kuna yote mwenye ako na uwezo ya kunipeleka hospitali niweze kutibiwa, nikae. Kwa sababu mimi mwenyewe ndio najitegemea vile tunaongea na nyinyi hivi. Hivi ni hata hapa mahali niko. Ni usaidizi tu yenu ndio mimi mnanisaidia. Nyinyi ndio mnanilipia nyumba, nyinyi ndio mnanilisha.
Nayo kamiti ya NGCDF kuma gicigo kia ubunge kia Ugunja ni irekereirie makiria ma ciringi milioni 13 iria ikuhuthika ta basari iria guteithiriria arutwo kuma mathukuru-ini ma university hamwe na college gutwarithia na mbere mathomo mao. Undu uyu uhanikite thutha wa mutongoria wa kamiti ino mundu gwitwo Bernard Omolo uria wekinyetie tauni-ini ya Ugunja.
Kamiti ya CDF kuma gicigo mbunge kia Ugunja nirekereirie makiria ma ciringi milioni 13 cia basari iria ciguteithiriria arutwo a university hamwe na college gutwarithia na mbere mathomo mao. Akiaria hindi ya kuheana mbeca icio wabici-ini ya CDF tauni-ini ya Ugunja, mutongoria wa kamiti iyo Bernard Omolo ni ugite ati muigana ucio ni guteithiriria makiria ma andu 1,000 aria mayandikithitie na mubango ucio.
Launching the second disbursement of Ugunja constituency bursaries for colleges and universities for the financial year 2023-2024. Our first bursary disbursement for secondary schools and special schools was released on 23rd February 2024, and the total amount disbursed at that time was about 28 million. For our colleges and universities, we are today disbursing to a total number of applicants 1,742 students.
Milton Philip uria ni murugamiriri wa basari ya NGCDF mwena ucio ni onanirie ati andu aria mari na mawathe othe ni magunikite na kigina kiu na kuria ongereire na kuga ihinda riri ni magunikite na kigina kinene ukiringithania na mwaka muhetuku.
You've heard it is 83%, and this is a record year
It has not been so. This is because of the increment in the allocation that we received this year. We want to say all the committee members who did the mobilization with the good students who applied for the bursaries, and therefore we have also responded the way the chairman has said it. There are special needs students who received, all of them, that is what we mean by 100%, all of them received the bursary.
Ona gukiria uguo murugamiriri wa gicigo kia Ugunja Astre Agolo ni agathiriria kamiti ya CDF ni undu wa wira mwega uria mararuta hamwe na mwihoko hari guteithiriria aikari maundu-ini ma githomo na njira nene.
As we are talking, we are happy that Ugunja sub-county is sending teams to the drama festivals that are the nationals. We are having a team from Nyasanda, we'll have a team from Rangala, we have a team from Daho with comedy, we have a team from Lolwe with the choral verse, and as a constituency we are happy with all these achievements. It means that in matters of education we are on the right track.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatundu.
Nao andu ana ni matwaritwo kana ni makinyetio mbere ya igoti ria Machakos thutha wa gukorwo makirikana ati ni mayete mugunda wa runyanjara rwa nyamu wa Swara arure mwena kana ruria ruri mwena wa Lukenya gukwari kaunti-ini ino ya Machakos kuria mutongoria munene wa ni kana ni athanite makorwo makirekererio na kana makorwo makirekererio na marega gukorwo makiriha bodi iria makorwo makirwo makorwo makihingurwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Machakos kuria cira wao ugakorwo githikiririo tariki 8 mweri-ini wa kana mwaka uyu.
Andũ ana ni matwaritwo igoti-ini ria Machakos thutha wa gwikuirwo kuiya mugunda wa ugitiri wa nyamu wa Swara kuu Lukenya county ya Machakos. Ekuirwa Shiwana maratwarirwo mbere ya mutarani Cliff Ombeta uria urerete igoti hatire undu urehetwo mbere ya igoti niguo kuonania ati ni hari ihitia riekitwo no ni kuonania utugi ati ni maheirwo marua mamwe na magithura guikia aria mathitangitwo njera-ini cia borithi na kuoguo maundu macio mothe mari na uhinga.
But what do? They show you some favoritism. They say that they have been given documents by a complainant. First of all, if the respondents had documents, it would come from one person, not 4 of them. So 3 of them suffer because of an allegation.
Mutongoria munene Charles Ondiek ni athanite ekuirwo cio marekererio na mbele ya shiringi 200 na manyitanire na afitha wa uthuthuria na makinye igoti-ini riria marabataranio.
Upon depositing with the police cash bail the sum of Kenya shillings 200,000 each with 2 contact persons for each. Condition A, for purposes of facilitating the investigations and valid only for a period of 2 months, each respondent shall cooperate with the investigating officer and in this regard appear before the officer as, when and where required. Condition B, each respondent shall commit no offense, interfere with no witness. Each respondent shall appear before court as and when required.
Ekuirwa cio magucoka igoti-ini tariki 8 mweri wa kana mwaka uyu na maga kuriha bail makuhingwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Machakos. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, Getwo wa Geshia.
na tugithie na mbere mundu gwitwo minista wa maundu kana minista wa ugendi Alfred Mutua nikitie ritana kuri aikari guku bururi-ini makorwo makigacirithia ugendi guku bururi-ini na makiria matura-ini maria makoragwo maginyitira kana matura maria agendi makoragwo magicera. Ritana riri aikitie ari kaunti-ini ya Bungo na kuria augite ati agendi aingi aria magikorwo maikinya guku bururi-ini maroka ni undu wa uria bururi wa Kenya ukire no gitiri mwega na ende ni uria andu a Kenya maikoragwo magituga ageni.
Ulerani hiyo story mato.
Tumesikia kwamba ndio iweze kuja. Mtalii akija amezoea maisha ya starehe. Utakuja kwamba nchi kama United Arab Emirates, mali Dubai iko, inapata watalii zaidi ya milioni 30 40 kila mwaka. Mwaka uliopita, mwaka huu wametangaza Dubai Mall imepata wageni zaidi ya milioni 100. Huko hawana wanyama, hatuko nao, hawana chakula tamu kama sisi, hawana watu, unaelewa? Lakini wanawapata watalii wengi sana. Spain mwaka huu inasema itapata watalii milioni 60 million tourists to visit small country of Spain. It's a very important country, lakini inatoshana kama Kenya, milioni 60. Hawana wanyama, hawana vitu ambazo tuko nazo hapo. Ni kwa nini wanaenda huko? Ni kwa sababu hizi nchi zimeweka pia starehe, value tourism. Mtalii akija akienda Hispania na anataka kwenda choo akiwa popote Spain, atakuta choo ya kifahari nzuri, anaweza itumia tu standard ya mtu anakuja. Hapa Bungoma ziko, mtu akitoka hapa kwenda Mount Elgon kuna choo ngapi ataweza kujisaidia? Kuna mahali wapi? Unaelewa? Watalii ndio waje, lazima tuwapange, si ndio? Sababu hii mambo ya kwenda mtu akichaka anafunga jicho moja si mzuri. Na hiyo ni shida ambayo iko Kenya kila mahali.
We want to demonstrate to the world that this part of Kenya also has very good tourist attractions. We have Mount Elgon, where we have the elephant maternity wing, only place where elephants give birth. In a certain spot is a very good tourist attraction. We have pygmy elephants, we have Nabuyole Falls, we have Sikeresemulia, we have Sangalo Cultural Center, and many other sites.
Haya, na riboti yo ni raikorwo gituhekania kangi gaukorwo tugiikiria andu akorwo githi kurai kuona ati agicokereria tucoke nginya kuria iharo-ini na kutumenya uria ciana cia atumia ciragia cia gitinda ikigarika twambe twikirie ni turacokereria.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business, or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration, and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke.
Haya na nitwacokereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na guikarania na ithue agukori kwa Muthingi TV na gitio kinene riu njitikiria ngorwo ngigutwara nginya kuria iharo-ini na kugumenyithia uri ciana cia atumia acia gitinda ikigarikana tukiambiriria athaki aria matanyitwo gukorwo makihitahitana mbitikaini cia safari rari iria itanyitwo kuhanika kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru mwena wa Naivasha ni makoretwo makiruta mawoni ngurani iguru rigie maria matanyitwo gukorwo makiendekana maumirira maria matanyitwo gukorwo makiendekithia maumirira-ini mega na oho ni maugite mathina maria matunganite na muguko bururi-ini.
The Ford Fiesta competing in Rally 2 category.
I'm coming from France, so I'm going to drive the Ford Puma Rally 1 for the M Sport Ford World Rally team. And here in Kenya, it's a really special and unique rally because it's a really rough. We are driving in the middle of the wide. There's a lot of wildlife crossing in front of us, etc. It's a big challenge for the body. We know the rain is also coming, so we're sure it's going to be a big challenge. We can expect like really big rocky places, the rocks everywhere where we can damage the car. We can have an unexpected animal crossing in front of us, so we have to avoid it, or where we can damage the car, things like that. With the rain coming, we can expect like a lot of water, standing water, like water splash, etc. So we will be covered of mud, etc. So it's going to be a challenge.
Fils from Poland, we are driving a Skoda Fabia Rally 2 car. And we are happy to be here. It's the third time for us. We expect a really tough rally with different conditions, from dry to really wet roads. So it will be really interesting following those 3 days here, and we look forward. We try to prepare, but of course it's impossible to prepare for those conditions because they are unexpected. So we try our best and we hope for a good rally.
Well, first of all, my name is Diego Dominguez. I'm from Paraguay. This is my third time here in Kenya. I've done this safari twice. Last year I won my category, and this year we decided to step up to WRC2. We will be driving a Citroen C3 Rally 2, and for sure it's going to be very, very tough. I think the roads are tougher than last year, so definitely it's going to be very tricky. And hopefully with any luck we'll get a good result. Expect to finish. Now that we're in this bigger category, for sure it's going to be more difficult. A lot of very fast drivers, very experienced drivers, and we'll try to get the best result we can. But maybe podium would be good.
Yeah, of course I try to be on the podium again, but going to be big challenge for everybody, and it cannot be like optimistic. I mean, will be big challenge anyway, so I need to be patient, and through the other stages, they will be good. Yeah, this round was the toughest run in the WRC calendar, so I just prepared from the previous years, like what kind of race you can go cut, but what kind of race you need to slow down. So yeah, last 3 years car has been very strong, so I'm not out with our car, but still this season will be a big challenge because of the weather and the conditions, so need to be patient.
Haya tugitigana na icio tuthie na mbere ni ati munini wa mutongoria wa bururi mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ni augite ati mbitika guku bururi-ini ni ikuhuthika ta njira ya kurua na ndawa cia kurevia, na oho ni gukorwo ari njira ya guthara mbeo njithi. Rigathi aritie uu ari mwena wa Karen na kuria agucemanitie na ahanyoki aria makiri rungu rwa kambuni ya Adidas guku bururi-ini.
Sports is very important, and I want to thank you and encourage you to continue. Hii maneno ya mchezo
ndio imetutolea pombe kwa watu na madawa ya kulevya na mambo ya depression, the way you have said. You know I'm leading the fight against alcoholism and drug abuse in the country. And I am not going back because we are almost losing an entire generation. But fighting alone is not enough. We need to back it up with sports facilities. Ndio kama sasa hapo Kapsabet hiyo stadium tunaishughulikia. Pale Eldoret 64 stadium tunashughulikia. Pale Kamarini tunashughulikia. And also we are going to work with the Governor Sang. Zile viwanja dogo dogo pia na yashughulikie. We continue enhancing our facilities for athletics and other sports. So that is something that we shall be able to do as we go on.
Haya, hatugethia na mbere na ni ati team irahabataga kana team ihabataga bitika cia Kagi ariguo mufira wa maguru Harambee Stars mareketie gucokereria guku bururi-ini na kuria magicokereirie na gikombe gia mabururi kana bitika kia gikombe kia bitika cia mafuruna iria iragithakirwo kuria mwena wa Malawi. Harambee Stars rungu rwa nyabara wao mundu gwitwo Engine Firat ni maugite ati makorwo magithie na mbere kuhabata bitika ici na ni makorwo magithie na mbere na kurugamirira bururi wa Kenya guoka ni bitika cia Kagi.
I want to congratulate the boys, Michael and his team. We know that the last trophy we won was in 2017 Sekafa. This was a 4 Nations tournament, not easy, and the team has gone and got a win, so I want to congratulate them. I want to also congratulate the coach for setting up this and working so hard over these years to do this. And I want to say just a few things. One is that we are very elated, but this is just the beginning. So while we are happy, we are not celebrating yet because there's much more to come and the plan is there to do. I just ask for more support and thank everyone that's been involved in doing this. Not easy. We have gone through a painful stretch before, and today we have won. We have a trophy in front of you, and I want to thank everybody for the job they have done and for leadership they provided to have the team and do that. So for me to thank everyone and every Kenyan that supported us on the way. Now we go to June and we get ready for match day 4 Burundi and for Ivory Coast as well.
So I think this team deserves really support, which is lacking till now, and I hope from now on the belief in this team will get higher, that these boys who are representing Kenya well get the opportunity to do higher and greater things.
I'd like to thank each and everyone who has been involved in one way or the other. First of all, to thank God, for helping us clinch this trophy. It's really important. It's a good confidence booster, for the boys. And the team is now coming up quite well. We really have a good squad of young players and experienced boys. So we used it as a good preparation. Now come June, where the real games will be coming, match day 3 and match day 4. We want to produce good results, bearing in mind that we are going to play at home. But we just want to thank also each and every person who supported us, starting from the Federation, Kenyans at large, for supporting us. We urge them to continue supporting this team because now we are coming up quite strongly, and we hope to continue producing good results.
Haya, na ripoti ya imwana cia Harambee Stars ni raikorwo gitutirihira Mohoro Hwaiini wa omothi gatho cia mwanya niwe gukorwo gitwihokera mathaa maku gukwari kwa Muthingi TV kuma riria gukiire nginyagia riu ngwiraga tutingiriho utariho tucokeria gatho tucemanie muthenya wa rucio ari muthenya wa Good Friday. Mundu gwitwo Sally no uma director, mundu gwitwo Aizo niwe uma kindu gwitwo graphics, mundu gwitwo Magi na mundu gwitwo Lea maikorwo ahuria kwa abisha anake mundu ugwitwo Oscar no agitigirira ati mohoro ma mathako ni maikorwo magitwithiranira na njira iria yagireire Wairimu wa Kimani niwe wagitigirira ati mohoro mau mangi ni maikorwo megukinyira na njira iria yagireire nginyagia muthenya wa rucio ni ndagikorwo ngiona ni mwekorwo mugikira jamu mukorwo mugithie kuria mwena wa Naivasha kindu ngimuria ni ati mukorwo mukimenyerera mukorwo mukirora kuona ati life is unpredictable nginyagia muthenya ungi ni ngetika wa boy wa Njau ngai wa mwe kwende akoige na akurathime nginyagia hindi wengi wa bata araria mwaki.